to go before we open up Wall Street for the week, and the Dow looks to be up about 10, but look at that NASDAQ go, up about 113. Keith Fitz with us this morning. I want to talk GameStop. That stock is up, I think it's 70%, 76%, after Roaring Kitty revealed he may have a huge position in the video game retailer. Keith, is that legit? You establish a big position and then you pump it up by being Roaring Kitty online. I mean, is that legit?
Not in my mind. I mean, if the SEC does not come down like a hammer on this kind of stuff, then what purpose does the SEC surface? You know, it's astounding to me that this is happening. There are billions of dollars that are going to get lost by unsuspecting investors, Stuart.
Okay, let's move on. You've got some stock picks for us. Everybody seems to like Palantir these days, including you. Make your case.
Well, I like to think I started that down around $6 a share before everybody else woke up to the possibility, but who knows? Here's the thing. This company is growing by 60-70 clean balance, 60% a year, customer base in commercial, military application. It is the engine for big data. Customers are super sticky, clean balance sheet, strong payment structure.
So why hasn't it done much? I mean, I know it's come up a bit, but it's not gone that far, has it?
Well, that's a good question, right? And the answer comes down to this, is Karp, CEO, is unabashedly patriotic. He is unabashedly out for the investor, not Wall Street. So Wall Street has stomped on this stock because they didn't get to play with the IPO. They didn't get their insider shares or their warrants. And so it's a nasty game. But the company is putting up good numbers quarter after quarter after quarter. Eventually, Wall Street can't resist.
Next case, Nvidia. Well over $1,100 a share, $1,136 right now. You've been consistently saying it's going to go up. Where to?
I think 2,000, 2,300, and or the split. I mean, the timing, I don't know. But this thing still has an awful long way to run. You know, they are 85% market share in what they're doing. They're constantly inventing new chips, new technology. This is haystack time, not the needle time.
All right, last one, CrowdStrike. What do you got?
This is the interesting one, right? Because all of this data and everybody doing stuff with it, you've got to protect it. CrowdStrike got a little bit of a hammer time last week. So to me, this is a compelling buy because you've got to protect everything that you're producing digitally. All
right, Keith, we will follow it closely. Keith Fitz on a Monday morning. Thanks for joining us, Keith. We'll see you again real soon. Thank you. The opening bell will ring in about 20-odd seconds. The backdrop to today is really the importance of slightly lower Treasury yields. You'll see that reflected in the NASDAQ composite, which I expect to open maybe 80, 90, 100 points higher. Investors in big tech want to see lower Treasury yields. And when you get them, they tend to move big tech up. I think that's what's happening this morning. 3 seconds to go. We'll open the market. It's Monday, June the 3rd, all day, and we've opened up. Press that button, away we go. The Dow has actually opened